To date, the EV3 hearing aid is one of the best rechargeable hearing aids on the market for only a fraction of the price. Together, we'll walk through how simple the EV3 is to use, the best way to maintain your device, and some basic troubleshooting tips. Here are all of the components for your EV3. Please be sure to carefully review all of the inserts and to visit the support website at audienhearing.com/support. The first thing you'll want to do when you receive your EV3 is to charge it. Take the Lightning USB cable and plug the micro USB end into the black charging dock. Then, take the other end of the Lightning cable and plug it into the 2-prong wall transformer. Then plug that into the wall. You should see a blue light illuminate when you plug in the black charging dock where it connects to the Lightning cable. The blue light indicates there is power flowing into the charging dock. If you look into the charging dock, you will see a hollow section where the removal wire will go when the device is inserted into the charging platform. Lower the device into the charging dock with the removal wire going into the hollow section. The device will magnetically click into place, and there will be a red light to indicate the unit is charging. The red light will turn green when charging is complete. It should take between 4 to 6 hours for the unit to fully charge. Please be sure the device is turned off while charging. To turn on your device, turn the power switch to the side labeled On. To turn off your device, turn the power switch to the side labeled Off. The EV3 comes with a variety of ear domes. Choose the ear dome that fits snugly in your ear. The hearing aid must be stabilized in the canal. Otherwise, you may experience a bit of feedback or whistling. We advise picking the largest ear dome size that is comfortable in your ear. Make sure the earbud clicks and stays in place. Smaller earbuds are harder to put on, so when you push the earbud onto the hearing aid, you should feel a slight click into place. Then, you can gently tug on the earbuds to make sure they're locked into place. The ear dome attaches easily to the EV3, like this. When putting the smaller earbud onto the EV3, you will turn the device to a 90-degree angle to align the small plate to the earbud. Push in until it becomes flush. Tug to make sure it is secure. And now for the larger earbud. Simply push the device into the earbud, align the plate at a 90-degree angle, apply pressure until you feel it pop into place. You might hear it click into place. Tug to make sure it is secure. Now you're ready to try the EV3. Our design team crafted the Audien EV3's small and sleek shape so that it would become virtually invisible when you wear it. The EV3 can be inserted in 2 different ways. Turn off the hearing aid so there is no feedback, and insert it into the ear canal, curving forward toward your nose. Or backward toward your head. After trying this out, you can wear them in whatever direction is most comfortable. The EV3 has a left and right specific side. Please see the image below for where to locate the L and R symbols, indicating the left and right sides. The EV3 works by amplifying speech while reducing background noise. Still, you may need to adjust the overall volume. Simply use the small screwdriver that came with the EV3 to adjust the volume. Turn the screwdriver clockwise to increase the volume and counterclockwise to decrease the volume. To keep your EV3 in top shape, you'll want to keep regular maintenance. Debris and earwax will naturally build up on the EV3. Use the black cleaning brush that came with the hearing device to remove debris. Be sure to take the ear domes off and regularly clean them. Once the ear dome has been removed, you will want to clean the tip, also known as the receiver. This is where most of the wax will build up. Take a rubbing alcohol swab or wipe to clean the tip thoroughly. You may also remove the wax guard and clean around this. Take the brush and clean inside of the tip to break up any debris. And always remember to reinsert the small white wax guard when done. Once that wax guard is back on, clean off the rest of the device using the alcohol wipe. Clean the small, golden circular connectors to remove any dust or dirt buildup. Dirt buildup on these connectors can cause a connection error with the charger. You will want to clean the charger as well. First, make sure that the charger is unplugged from the wall before cleaning it. Take the alcohol wipe and clean the inside of both charging ports. Make sure that the wipe is not too damp for the electronics. You may dry with a napkin or paper towel. Use the brush to finish cleaning out any dirt and debris. Blowing into the unit will also help break up any debris. Clean the mini port of the charging base by blowing into the port and cleaning with the brush where the cable plugs into the unit. Using the brush, clean the charging cable ends as well. Make sure the unit is completely dry before plugging into the wall. Once your unit has been cleaned and is dry, plug your charger into the wall. Plug the hearing aids into place and see if the light comes on. The light should turn red at first, eventually turning green when the unit is charged. Regularly charge your device as well. There may be times when you'll need to troubleshoot situations that arise with the EV3. Here are some basic troubleshooting tips that will help keep your device working in top shape. You may also find these tips inside the user guide that came with your device. First, when no sound is coming from the device, make sure the device is fully charged and that the switch is in the on position. You may need to clean or sweep away debris from the power switch. When the device is too quiet, use the small screwdriver that came with the Audien EV3 to turn up the overall volume. Turn the screwdriver clockwise to increase the volume. Also make sure your device is clean of debris and fully charged. The first thing you should change if your product is whistling is the size of your earbud. If the hearing aid is loose in the ear, then the pressure of your ear canal pushes on the receiver and not the earbud. The device must be stable in order to receive a clear and crisp sound. If this does not work, you may need to turn down the volume. Turn the screwdriver counterclockwise to decrease the volume. Again, you'll want to double-check that your device is clean of debris and fully charged. The FDA-approved Audien EV3 provides an improved listening experience and a comfortable fit at a fraction of the cost of similar hearing devices. To learn more about your Audien EV3, go to audienhearing.com/support. Adapting to your hearing aids will take some time. Top audiologists recommend 3 weeks in order for your brain to adapt to wearing hearing aids. The recommended schedule for getting used to your hearing aids is as follows. Start by wearing your hearing aids for at least 1 to 2 hours per day while living your normal routine around the house in order to acclimate your ears to your hearing aids. It's normal to get irritated by the fit of your hearing aids during the first few weeks. During the second week, start wearing your hearing aids outdoors. As your ears acclimate to the hearing aid, extend the use to 3 to 4 hours per day. At this point, you'll start to notice little sounds you weren't able to hear before. By the end of the third week, you can start having regular outdoor conversations at any volume, whether you're at a crowded restaurant or at work. You're now acclimated to the hearing aids. Here's some other useful tips to help you in your hearing journey. Wear your hearing aids at home in quiet environments. Focus on one-on-one conversations and tell people you're still getting used to your new hearing aids. Reading aloud and/or talking to your pet will help you get used to the sounds of your own voice. Try these hearing activities. Try and locate all sounds in your environment. Listen to audiobooks and television when you're home alone. Be sure to take breaks. Use your hearing aids for a few hours each day and gradually increase the duration over time. Anticipate some frustration, especially with some background noise. If your hearing loss has been bad for a few years, then hearing aids will make you hear sounds you haven't heard in a long time, also known as sound overload. Here are some examples. The sound of the refrigerator humming when making ice. This may seem loud and unbearable, but this is because your brain has forgotten how to filter out background noise and how to prioritize certain background noises over others. It's important to be patient and take it slow as your brain adjusts to your new hearing aids.